Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to be a part of this family. In this video, we'll be making this easy salt biscuit that you can use for coffee or tea or any beverage of your choice. Without wasting time, let's get right into it. In a bowl, we'll be adding 150 grams of soft butter, half cup of icing sugar, that is 65 grams, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. Mix everything together until it becomes creamy. After mixing, we add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, that is 240 grams, and half teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything together until a dough is formed. After mixing, your dough should have this texture. Next, we sprinkle some flour on a work surface and transfer the dough to it. Then we roll out using a rolling pin. Next, we cut the dough into shape using a circle cutter, but you can use any shape of your choice. After cutting, transfer the cutouts to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Then we make a design using a fork. Bake in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking, you have yourself the best breakfast biscuit ever. Very easy to bake with simple ingredients, perfect for coffee or tea or to eat as a snack. If you enjoyed watching this video, Please kindly support my channel by subscribing, liking and commenting. Also feel free to share this recipe with your loved ones. The best thing about this biscuit is it has less sugar and it pairs well with every beverage. You can store these cookies up to a month in an airtight container and it will still remain fresh. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be making this recipe at home. I would also love to read about your questions, about your recommendations and suggestions. Check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you will find something else you love. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.